All right, so a new feature that's popped up in Google Vault is a way for administrators to be able to do investigations when it comes to their Google Workspace. But from what I'm talking about here is I want to learn about Gemini and how our educators are utilizing it, not about the data that they're using with it, but more specifically who are our next gen educators. So just getting a good data balance of like how many people are utilizing this application for AI when it comes to developing resources or whatever they need to utilize it for. Specifically for this purpose, I'm going to use this to be able to search not a specific account but an organizational unit, and in here will let me know by school who are our top level users, our next gen educators as I would call it, that utilize AI and modern technology. So I'm going to select my organizational unit. I'm going to blur out the rest of the stuff so this stuff you cannot see, but also be able to see your results. So hold on, I'll take a look here. All right, so I selected the organizational unit. This is the organizational unit of staff. I could select my time zone, which makes no sense to me. I could start my start and end date. So if you want to look at my monthly or the entire year to date, you can. And here you could search for it. Now for this purpose, I am not going to show the prompts and responses that displays here. That's not for anybody's viewing purposes, but what it does is I have the ability to export, and then within my export aspect, I can export my data sheet that shows me a list of all the people that utilize on a regular basis, how often that they prompt. This is a great understanding of knowing your audience and knowing who is leveraging AI in your school district, as well as who are your next gen educators. Take a look.